Okay, guys, so we are on Wednesday, lesson 9-2 for math. We're going to watch our video. We're going to do our math practice workbook, reteaching and practice. We're going to work on our digital quick check, and then you guys are going to do your 5 minutes of BTBF addition and or subtraction. Okay, so remember, to get to Savvis Easy Bridge, you guys are going to click on the waffle in your Google Classroom. Scroll all the way down till you hit Savvis Easy Bridge.
Getting there, miss.
No worries, take your time. We aren't going to take your quick check till the end, so as long as you guys can see my computer screen, you guys can watch the video on my screen. We're on subtracting 2-digit numbers.
Find 32 minus 5. What number is shown in the place value mat? The 3 tens and 2 ones show 32. There are not enough ones to subtract. How do you know this? 5 ones is more than 2 ones. What can you do? Regroup. Regroup 1 10 as 10 ones. How do the cubes show the regrouping? Trade 1 10 for 10 ones. How is regrouping shown in the subtraction frame? Write 2 to show 2 tens. Write 12 to show 12 ones. Subtract the ones. Let's count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does the subtraction frame show in the ones place? It shows that 12 minus 5 is 7. Subtract the tens. What does the subtraction frame show in the tens place? It shows that 2 tens minus no tens is 2 tens. So, 32 minus 5 equals 27. Now you know how to use models to subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number.
All right, so we're going to be doing the same thing that we've been doing yesterday. So let's go ahead and get out your math reteaching workbook. Get out your workbook right now. We're going to be on reteaching for 9-2. 9-2. Okay, models to subtract 2 and 1-digit numbers. Subtract 8 from 52. So step 1, think. There are not enough ones to subtract 8. Remember? Let's go ahead and circle actually while we're here. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So we need to regroup. So we're going to take away one of these 10s and we're going to replace it over here and make it into 10 ones because they don't fit through the door as that long rod They need to be broken into smaller pieces so that they fit in with the ones. So now we added 10 more. We had to.
What page are we on?
There isn't really a page. We're on topic 9-2. It just says 9-2. You're going to add 2 more, and that's how we got to the number 12. So you guys are going to see it here. We took away one of the 10s, and that's why they're left with only 4 at their party. And then we added 10 more to 2, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now we're going to take away 4. I'm sorry, we're going to take away 8. Now, when you subtract 8, so let's exit out 8. 1, 2, let me do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 left. I know that's super messy, but we only have 4 left. And you could see it on this area right here. We subtracted 8. We have 4 left. Now we're going to, step 3 is subtract the 10s. 4 minus 0. And the reason why this is 0 is because it's blank here. There's nothing we're subtracting. 4 minus nothing equals 4. Let's say you have $4 and you go to the store and you buy nothing. If you go to the store and you buy nothing and you just leave the store and you didn't purchase anything, you still have $4 in your wallet. That's just what it means. So 52 minus 8, it gives you that answer of 44. Okay. Remember, if you need a refresher and you need to review this, what you can do is you can rewatch this on YouTube and slow it down and take pauses as you need. All right, subtract, use cubes and a work mat to help. Did you need to regroup? Circle yes or no. All right, so question number 1, are we ready? I'm gonna get my chat open. Oops.
Yes.
Okay, I have my chat box open so you guys can type in the chat or you can unmute. All right, 43 minus 9. How many 10s do we need for 43?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 1s do we need for the number 43?
3.
1, 2, 3. Now, we need to subtract 9 from 3, but do we have enough? No, and Nathan has already put the poem. What is the poem, guys? More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So we're gonna borrow the next door neighbors. Hey, next door neighbors, we are trying to go to another party, but they told us that 9 of us have to go and we don't have enough people. Can one of you guys come and help us? And they say, okay, who's gonna go? And this guy says, okay, fine, I'll go. So we're gonna get rid of this guy. He has to break apart to fit through the door. So we're gonna add 10 more. If we add 10 more to 3, how many are we adding? What is 10 plus 3?
13.
13, very good. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how many do we have left over in the 10s place?
3.
Very good, 3. So let's cross out that 4. And then how many do we have left over in the 1s place? If we gave 10 more to 3?
13.
13, very good. So what is 13 minus 9? Let's take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we have left over in the 1s?
4.
4. And then 3 minus nothing. What is 3 minus 0?
3.
So what is our answer?
34.
34. Did we
30.
need to regroup? Did we need to regroup? Did we need to regroup?
Yes.
Yes. If you ever use these boxes up here, that means you did need to regroup. If you ever used these boxes up here, that means yes, you needed to regroup. If you used the bottom number, if you circled the bottom number, more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. That is called regrouping. When you borrow from next door, it is called regrouping. So yes. Okay, next one. Ready? 69 minus 3. Now, 69. How many tens do you have in the number 69?
6.
6. 1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many ones do you have in the number 69?
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you need to take away 3. So which one is bigger, 9 or 3? 9 is bigger. What is our poem?
More on
More on
top.
more on top.
More on the top. No need to stop.
Very good, Ray and Ava and everyone else who said it. More on top, no need to stop. So do we need to regroup?
Yes.
More on top, no need to stop. Do you need to regroup?
No.
No, you don't need to stop. So everyone circle no. So let's just subtract. What is 9 minus 3?
6.
Very good, 6. And then now step 3, what is 6 minus 0?
6.
So what is our answer?
66.
Did we use these boxes up here?
No.
No, so did we need to regroup?
No.
Very good. All right, next question. 35 minus 8. How many tens do we have in the number 35?
3.
1, 2, 3. How many ones do we have in the number 35?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. We need to subtract 8 from 5. Uh-oh. The number 8 is bigger than the number 5. What is our poem?
More on the
More on the floor, get next door and get 10 more.
More on the floor.
More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more.
Very good. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So what is, we're going to go next door. Hey, we need a couple people to come and help us. Okay, that person's going to go. So how many are we left over within the tens place?
2.
2. Okay, and then we take 10 more to the ones place. So if we add 10 more to 5, what is 10 plus 5?
15.
15. Now we have enough. Now 8 people are going to go to the new party. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do we have left over in the ones place?
7.
7.
7.
And then we have 2 minus 0 equals
2.
2. So our answer is 27. Did we need to regroup? More on the floor, go next door and get
Yes.
more. Yes. circle yes. All right, guys. Last question. 76 minus 7. How many 10s are in 76?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. How many ones do we have in the number 6? I'm sorry, 76.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to take away 7. 7 want to go to another party, but uh-oh, the number 7 is on the floor. It's on the bottom. What is our poem?
More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more.
More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So we need to, do we need to regroup?
Yes.
Yes, everyone circle yes. So we're gonna borrow from the 7. 7 becomes a 6, and then we add 10 more to 6, and 6 becomes a
16.
16.
So we take away this one. Let's scribble that out, and we're gonna put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 16 ones. Now we have enough to take away 7. Ready? Let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have left? Do we have 6 brown and 3 orange? How much is that total?
9.
9.
9.
And then what is 6 minus 0?
6.
So what is our answer? What is 76 minus 7?
69.
69.
Very good, guys. All right, guess what? That is the end of reteaching. Let's move on to practice. If you need more time to get this done, you're gonna need to do the work on YouTube. You're gonna have to get it from YouTube, okay? Because we're gonna move on to practice now, the next page. Ready? If you did not finish, you're gonna have to get it from YouTube. I'll post it on YouTube today.
I accidentally did it yesterday.
Nice. All right. Ready, guys? Subtract. Regroup if you need to. Use cubes and a work mat to help. All right. So, you know what? Let's see if you guys can actually do some of these on your own. So I am going to put you guys into breakout rooms, and you guys are gonna help each other out and talk through it and try to answer all 10 questions, all right? So let me go ahead and stop recording.
This part.
All right, it is 11:05, so we only have about 10 more minutes until it is lunchtime. So because of that, I'm just gonna go over the answers with you guys. So I'm not gonna do the whole cubes thing, but I will go over the answers. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me, okay? So let's go over the answers to each of these questions. So question number 1, it gives you the answer. So question number 2, 8 is the bigger number. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So this becomes a 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Drop down the 4, your answer should be 44. That should be a 4, not a 9. Okay, next one, more on top, no need to stop. Next one, more on top, no need to stop. So the answer is 33. Number 5, more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So 5 becomes a 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Your answer is 38. Number 6, more on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 11 minus 7. If you don't know how to do 11 minus 7, you can count on from 7 and see how many fingers you put up. So say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I put up 4 fingers to get to 11. So 11 minus 7 equals 4. That's how you can use addition to help you with subtraction. 5 minus 0 equals 5. So 54 is your answer. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 8 minus 0 equals 8. So your answer is 86. And then the last one, 68 minus 9. More on the floor. Sorry, I forgot to circle it. Go next door and get 10 more. 18 minus 9 equals 9. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Okay, now I know I went through those kind of quickly. If you guys got all of those correct, let us know, or let me know how many of those you got correct. Okay, I'm going to move on now. So if you didn't get all of these answers correct and you're trying to erase or fix them, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go back onto YouTube and rewatch this video. Okay, because I'm going to move on. Okay, question number 9 and 10. So again, these answers will be on YouTube. Number 9, solve. A bakery makes 64 muffins. They sell 29 muffins by noon. How many muffins are left? So they had 64 and they sell 29. Well, their 9 is bigger than 4. More on the floor. Go next door and then get 10 more. So 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 9, let's count on from 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 9 equals 5. 5 minus 2, because we need to subtract the 10s. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So you should have gotten C as your answer. And then last one, number 10. There are 45 children in the gym. Some of the children leave. So we don't know that. How many children could be in the gym now? Now, if some of the children leave, that means that there are going to be less children. So which number here would show less? 37 would show less. So it probably is A, but let's keep checking. Is 45 less than 45? No, that's equal. 51 is bigger and 62 is bigger. The only one that shows less is going to be A, 37 children. All right. All right, guys. Now, I know we only have 6 more minutes of class. So this is what I'm going to have you guys do today. Okay. We are going to do your digital quick check individually, independently. All of you need to do your digital quick check before you go to lunch. You're going to turn it in. And because this, don't worry if you get them all wrong, because these are not put on your report card. What? Okay, 1 second. So these are not put on your report card. So I just want to see how you guys can do on your own. So I just assigned it. I want all of you guys to work on your digital quick check. If you have to go somewhere and you can't work on it right now, that's fine. But you do need to do this hopefully by the end of today, okay? So I just assigned your digital quick check. Everybody needs to work on that digital quick check right now. And then you guys can go to lunch. And then we'll review the answers tomorrow. So click on your waffle to get to your digital quick check. You got to click on your waffle. Go to Savvis EasyBridge. Once you're done with your digital quick check, I want you to put the percentage of what you got in the chat, and then you can go. So if it doesn't show you your Savvis EasyBridge, scroll down. Okay, then scroll back up. Go to Gmail. Okay, click on the waffle again.
I'm on Solve is Easy Bridge,
Okay, go ahead and take your test.
but I don't see the test.
Yes. Oh, sorry, Ray. I just saw that.
I don't see the test yet.
Okay. Did you refresh your screen?
I'm gonna try that. Thank you. I see it now.
Perfect. Take your test. Tell me your percentage. If you get 0%, that's okay. That just means that we just need to keep working on these skills.
Okay, so that seems like an issue with the current page, right?
50.
All right, guys. Once you have done your test and you give me your percentage, you're free to go. I will see you. If you're an ELD student, come back at 12. All other students come back at 12:45 for science.